Typhoon Rai was furious. But what if it would happen again? Could you prepare for it? What if you could go back to the past to tell yourself to prepare for such an event? Well, there have been literature that say it's possible. If you already thought about going to the past, wouldn't you think you've already done it already? Or better yet, you've already done it from a different future? What if you ran into yourself in the past, only he had other intentions instead of preparing for the future? What if you would be your worst enemy and he knew all your steps to get back to the future, and only one of you could get back to prepare us to get that list of how to prepare yourself for the next big storm? That would be heavy.
All right, Tim. What's next? No matter how fast you are, no one outruns their path.
Easy, you trying your best to become me.
And mine. Been a long time, too.
So we're up against a master thief, assassin, high performance driver. Who is he?
They're us from a different future, and all they want is a flux capacitor.
You're programmed to be pushed yourself, to be faster, smarter, stronger. Could you kill him? Because I'm ready if you are. There's nothing more powerful than the love of family. But you turn that into anger. There's nothing more dangerous.
That is completely out of the question. You must not leave this house. You must not see anybody or talk to anybody. Anything you do could have serious repercussions on future events. Marty, I'm sorry, but the only power source capable of generating 1.21 gigawatts of electricity is a bolt of lightning.
We do now.
My ass is in fuego!
So why don't you make like a tree and get out?
That's your mistake. This is my world.
You telling me that this sucker is nuclear?
nag-i-cluster sa dili sa among mga videos, mga banners, mga images, subscribe niya. Masag mo yung mga comments, kung naman yung mga suggestionan mo sa mga reactions sa Bisaya o sa Canadian, saan niya mi? Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the houses in our videos, let us know. Give us your comments or subscribe. We'd love it. We love creative work, especially when it's about you.